Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to download and install Steam in your computer in a very simple way. What you have to do first, you have to open any of your favorite browser and then simply come over into the search option. Into the search option, you need to search for Steam and click enter. And then you will find Steam website over here. So you need to click on welcome to Steam, and then the Steam website will be opened, and then here you will find install Steam option. So if you click on it and then click on install Steam, and as you can see, your download has been started and it's completed. And now if you click on the folder icon and if you click on Steam setup and minimize all the background tab, you will get Steam setup wizard. And then if you click on next and if you select your language, and if you want to change the destination folder, you can simply click on the browse and click on your. So now if you select the folder, you can simply click on it and click install. And as you can see, your installation is done. And now if you click finish, it will updating the Steam and it will open the Steam for you. So as you can see, it's downloading update. It will take some seconds to complete. After complete Steam download and installation process, you will get the Steam account login option. If you have an account, then you can simply log in. But if you're not, then you can simply click on create a free account. So if I click on it, and there will be a create account interface will be open. So here you need to give your Gmail. So I'm going to give my Gmail. So you can simply continue. And now there will be verify for your email. So you need to open your Gmail right now. And then going to give the message or find the message new Steam account email verification. So if you click on verify my email address, and as you can see, the email has been verified. So now if I just open and click on continue, here I need to give my Steam account name, choose a password and confirm a password. So I'm going to give my Steam account name and click done. So now new account created successfully. So now if you click on continue, and now here we need to give our user ID. I'm going to give our password, and there will be a code sent to my user account. So I'm going to open my Gmail another time, and here I'm going to find this code. Going to paste it over here like this, and boom, our loading user data, our Steam is rightly opened in our computer, as you can see. So now if we just close everything and only focus on Steam and maximize the Steam app, we will going to see the Steam store, library, community, and so on. So as you can see, our Steam account is rightly opened and we installed and download Steam in our computer. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.